All right, in this video, we are going to talk about the startup cost of affiliate marketing. So when we're starting up, we have probably two ways that we can go. So first, we're going to take a look at the completely free way. So what we need is an affiliate program or a product to promote. With that, we are going to maybe use ClickBank, Amazon, or JVZoo. Now, to get your videos out there, we have some options. We have a program like Pixlr, which is like online Photoshop, which you can go to. You can get some free video editing software. If you have an Apple, I believe you can get iMovie. And then there's some other free video software out there that you can use. And then you have two options. You can use OBS to capture your screen like I am doing now. This is OBS. You see that? Or you can use Pixlr to create slides, and then you can just put them into your video editing software and go from there and use those to create YouTube videos. Now, when we create those YouTube videos, we can just directly link to our affiliate offer that we're selling. A lot of people do this, especially in the review niche. Like say you're reviewing headphones, they do that. Or if you're using ClickBank, you can do that as well. But one caveat is one thing I want to express is that the numbers are a little tricky, okay? So let's say we're getting 1,000 daily views and only 2% of those individuals click through our affiliate link. That would get us 25 clicks to our affiliate link. Now, at 25 clicks to our affiliate link, they, on industry average, will convert at a 0.7%, less than 1%. So to get about a sale, on average, it could equal to about 150 clicks. Now, that is one sale a week at an average of $29. Now, to get a sale a day, we need 7,500 views, and that is a little less than $900 a month. And to get that $900 a month, that is 225,000 views a month. Okay, so the next way I'm going to show you is the better way. You're going to make more money with little views, and I can't guarantee you that legally. It's up to the type of work ethic you put in and everything like that. But let's take a look at the numbers and the potentiality that you could make with this next model. Okay, now this next model is going to cost you a little bit of money to start up. So I recommend that you use ClickFunnels, which is a funnel builder, which you can build an opt-in page and a thank you page. I'll show you in a second, like an example of one. And Aweber. Aweber is an email autoresponder. Very easy to use. Definitely want to use email because you get to build that like, know, and trust factor with your prospects. Okay. So we're creating YouTube content, and then we're going to link to that opt-in. They're going to go either through our funnel here. We collect their email by giving away something for free training, free PDF, free book, something for free. They go to our thank you page, and we thank them for joining our email sequence. We thank them for being a subscriber to our channel. And we give them a little information. So it's going to look something like this. Now with ClickFunnels, you can create a squeeze page like this or a opt-in page. Now it just has a headline like who you are, discover what you're going to discover with this free ebook here, and what's inside. And then you click yes, claim my copy now, and it'll take you over to, or it'll prompt for an email, and it'll have the same thing. That the first page of the opt-in, they enter their email, and you click yes, send me my free copy, and it will take you over to the bridge page. Now the bridge page is kind of the same thing. You have your attention headline, your branding, and a little bit of discover what they can do. Probably just need to fix that a little bit, but this is just for examples only. And then in the video, it's just a little video of you, who you are, what you're about, and how you recommend a product for them that will help them achieve their weight loss goal or whatever niche you're in, whatever goal that may be. And then you kind of just want to give a little, I guess, discovery checklist here, what they're going to discover when they watch this video. And then in the video, we are going to also offer some bonuses. So down below, there is a 3-step process. So to get those bonuses that you're going to offer, that's going to provide them more value, and get them in the buying mood, you have step 1, claim your copy of the 2-week diet. Step 2, send me your receipt to your email, whatever your email is for your business. And then step 3, I will send you your free bonuses at a whatever value you price them at, absolutely free. And then you have free bonus 1 through 4, and then just a little description of what they are and what they're about with a little image. And that is the bridge page entirely. And then that would end up going to the offer page. Now, they would buy, they would email you their receipt, and then you would send them their free bonuses. It's pretty simple, very easy to implement. And if they don't buy right off the bat on the first page, then that's what we have Aweber for, is to follow up with email. Now, when we're following up with email, we want to provide more value to get them to know, like, and trust us, and we can link them back either to our YouTube videos, or we can link them to a blog page, or we could just send them valuable tips on how to help them achieve their goals within our niche. Very simple. Now let me show you the potential value with ClickFunnels. But before we get to that, with ClickFunnels, it is $100 a month. I have a 14-day free trial link below in the description, and Aweber is $19 a month at a 30-day free trial. Again, link below in the description if you want to check that out for yourself. But let me show you the potential value of this, okay? So remember that a sale a day is 7,500 views, and that makes you a little less than $900 a month, or that's 225,000 views a month. Now, if we kind of take a look at this, let's say we're only getting about, 5% of people into our, no, not 500%. We're only going to get 5%. 50, come on, figure it out. And then let's say we only get about a little over half at 55%. Figure it out, man. Okay, so we kind of have our numbers set out here. The people that are going to click through our link here, let's see, let's kind of go so we can kind of visualize this for a second here. Okay, we'll get into the numbers in a second. So we're going to drive monthly views from, we're going to get our monthly views from YouTube. We're going to get to about 1,000 here, okay, just for a broad number that kind of gives us a little perspective. So the people that watch our YouTube channel, that'll equal to about 30,000. Yeah, that's about 1,000 views a day. So say we're getting 30,000 views a month. Now 5% of those click on our YouTube click our link from YouTube to go to our opt-in page, and 55% of the people opt in to the opt-in page, and then they go through this process, and the number of people who end up buying is about less than 1% on the first initial buy. So what that looks like is, okay, now the numbers is going to be about 1,500, and then the people who are going to be on our list are 825, and then we'll make about 6 sales. 6 sales on a $29 commission offer. Now, the total monthly made on that alone would be $167, and that would equal to a $2,000 a month earning. Now, that is not a lot, okay? Now, let me show you where the money is at. The money is going to be in the email list, because most people aren't going to buy on that first initial offer. So that is, it takes about maybe anywhere from 7 to 12 touches, or for the 12 emails for them to get in the buying mood, and by you providing them a lot of value. Now, let's say each person may equal about $1 to $4 is about the average in the industry, okay? So let's say long-term value per person on our list. Now, do you see the big difference there? When each person is worth about $1 on our list, we jump up to about $10,000 yearly, okay? Very simple concept for you to understand, a little bit of visualize. Sometimes it'll take a little bit over 3 months to generate that $825. But if you stick with it over the course of 3 months, you'll be making $825 consistently. if you're doing this correctly. Again, can't guarantee that, but this is just more for you to visualize the potentiality of this whole concept and what it does take to start up with ClickFunnels. So, or to start up with affiliate marketing. Now, let's say we increase that by 50 cents, just 50 cents. Now, I want you to look at the difference here. Okay? Again, huge difference. This isn't $2, it's $1.50, but it will round up for us. Huge difference. Now, what if we're still getting 30,000 views and we increase our click-through rate to our opt-in? Let's say we increase that to 7%. Do you see the difference there? Huge difference in the money that we make. Now you're making almost $24,000 a year. And then again, let's say we work on this. We work on to get the people who opt in, and say we test this within ClickFunnels and we improve upon it and we get a better opt-in rate to our email list. And let's say we bump it up by just 10%. Let's say we go to 65, so 0.65. There you go. Huge difference there. That's about a $5,000 increase in your potential money. Now, that's what you can improve on. You can improve on the number of people who click through your YouTube channel. You can improve on the number of people who go through your opt-in, and then you can improve your email list and how you engage with those individuals. And let's say we do that as well, and we get it to $2. Now, off of 30,000 views a month, we are generating $36,000 a year. You're very capable of making this if you do it the right way. That's why you need a funnel in place with an email follow-up series. Now, just one more thing, say we're doing really well and we drive more monthly views to our channel and we increase it by 20,000 views. There you go, $60,000 a year according to the math, all right? This is just according to the math, but the potential is there. So don't be afraid to do this, or don't be afraid to start with your affiliate marketing journey. In the start, it will be a little bit slow, and it does cost a little money to get off the ground, $100 a month for building the funnel. But if you're willing to spend the $100 a month and put in the work, the potentiality to make money is there. And you improve on those things, your back end of your funnel, and you improve on those things, it can greatly improve your life, change your life, and do those things for you. Same thing with Aweber, only $19 a month to get out the email sequence. And as we discussed here, this is a big part of your business, which can have a great effect on your yearly earnings. So if you like the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any questions that you have with this. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.